Mm-mm. How we doing? How we doing? Trade rate is down, so there's gonna be no trades for me right now.
Wait,
Get my streaming link. Get my Discord. Mm-mm-mm. Yo, 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 how's it going, guys? Get the stream going. Trade rate is down, so oop, headphones connected. You guys see my screen and everything? Yeah, alright, perfect. Looking for the sell side from Monday to get taken, but a pretty sharp wick. It's like 60 points off the lows. We're kind of forming this base. I would really like to see this get taken, and then we might see a long setup. But honestly, I have no accounts right now to take this. Thoughts on top step reducing metal positions? Yo, I think it's like really scummy. I'm not gonna lie. It is really scummy to do that. It makes it really, really hard to run up a balance with them. I guess that's what they're going for. But man, how unfair it is. Swept yesterday's low, not Monday low. It's a pretty good move up. We're probably gonna go for these highs up here. This high, midnight open, is always good to look out for. Also London high. These are good levels. Just wanted to see Monday low taken before that. Honestly, there's no accounts we can trade unless you're on Project X. You got your winning. Yeah, I got my winning day too. I just trade the open, then lock myself out. Mm-mm-mm. I'm looking to load up some long-term stock. I just want to full port my Roth to just one stock. for maximum growth. I have 3 ETFs in your portfolio. Nice. I'm currently 100% cash in this portfolio. Thinking about buying like Palantir and stuff, but I think we get lower prices. Someone has to tell me when Trader 8 is back. I'm not gonna like refresh constantly. Mm-mm-mm. Happening on ES. This is gold. Gold is dumping. MES. SPX. Kind of stalling. Did I miss the days when I would trade options? That was wonderful. Even though I made no money. Just I remember executing on Weeble, waking up losing all my money. It was a good time in high school. It was like the journey, you know. I really like the journey coming up. Yeah, I was trading crypto futures too. I was so bad at it. Terrible, terrible I was. Entering off hopes and dreams. Sometimes that works. Till it doesn't. You could enter off hopes and dreams and then take the L to the chin, but if you can't take an L to the chin, then that's where you experience loss. Like I remember bag holding trades, like the chart is like so obvious you should be in longs, like just grinding up. And I'm like in 0 DTE puts, making losses bigger than what they should be. I think the Lucid CEO just posted something. What is he saying? Talking about right now. Technical announcement. Do not remove dash or reset any accounts. Okay. That's so funny. The number one emoji is Israel. Put it here actually. Regardless, this is a pretty slow AM session. First 15 minutes are kind of weak. Check if we have news. We have news at 10 EMI. The flash crash from October. That was crazy. This clip. At least he didn't blow his account. He should have blown his account on this drop. Yeah, that pick is wild. I think he's LARPing in Miami now. I don't know his name. I think it's Q or Hugh. One of those. Oh, Eddie's live. Eddie is not live. That's weird. Where do all the TikTok traders go when Tradeovate is down? Let's see. Oh, they're still there. Two, oh. Let's check if trade rate is still down. Still down. Yep. Trade rate need to Discord. That's what they need. It's so absurd how often trading platforms don't work. Yeah, that really sucks. But honestly, saving us money. I don't really care. Maybe the only thing there's opportunity on was gold. Gold shorts. But super hindsight. AMD is down 13% overnight. Wow, just plummeting. 17% this week. Crypto is just getting trashed. MGM Resorts is up. Nice. Dude, have you guys seen PayPal? The Launchpad low-key is not financial advice. PayPal is getting trashed. They got downgraded. Hmm. Dude, PayPal used to be like a 200 something dollar stock. Now it's in the dumps. I have a split screen on this. Wait. Um Go like put on the other. No need for it. Yeah, low key. Gonna find us a good long-term play. When was the last time you used it? Like 20 minutes ago? I only trust my card through PayPal. Dude, get this rug pull on the hourly. Like Loki, this is like the perfect time to buy. Needs to get 0.7. Like, even if it does get the level that we want, we can't even execute. I'm confident that that we're gonna get a Monday low today. That's what I want to see. If we don't, then this session is so chalked because we're not taking any liquidity. We didn't even take PM low from yesterday. I just joined. Can you explain what's going on in your chart? Literally nothing. I'm just waiting for. I trade reversals, so I'm waiting for a prominent low to get swept. So ideally, it would be this Monday low. Then I would look to take longs. We also have a monthly low though as well. I don't know why that line is not straight. We have a Monday low and a monthly low. And I'm looking for reversals off of this. But genuinely, there's nothing to execute. No platform. Yeah, trade rate is still down for me. Yeah. I'm still getting a glitch. Right. It's up and running. Hold on. I refresh. There's some cookies. You logged in 30 minutes ago? How is that possible? Yeah, I'm able to log in now on my TPT. Wow, gold is moving. TPT's working. This doesn't really excite me. I want to see some big candles coming in. There's no big candles, no volatility. Then kind of an uphill battle. Remember how I said IRL to ERL? I think that could be today or tomorrow. Well, this is the external liquidity. Monday low, monthly low below us, like another 200 points. By the way, on TBT, does Sunday count as a training day or is it combined with Monday? It's separate. Oh, sorry, it's one day. Sunday and Monday count as one day. Sunday 6 p.m. to Sunday 5 p.m. And if you trade 7 p.m. after the open on Monday, that counts for Tuesday. We go. That's a good move. 10 a.m. Let's see what it brings us. Mm-mm-mm. See what happens. This is our level though. Be a launch pad soon. What I want to see is strong buyers coming in, and then I'll hop in. Right now, sellers are in control. I'm not gonna try to snipe the bottom. That'd be stupid to try to snipe the bottom. Mm-mm-mm. Wow, it's a very strong move. Holy cow. We have this monthly low down here that we're gravitating towards. Mm-mm-mm. Watch ES on the other screen. Wow. All right, I might enter soon. If this held, I would have been in. Or if this holds. Mm-mm-mm. No strength here from buyers. Just out a little buy up. Nothing. It got slammed back down. This 30-second goes inversion. I'm in. We close through. This is what I'll look to take. But EP at the highs. Some internal highs. But keep in mind we have those monthly lows below us. So if we invalidate this, we keep going lower, then expect like another 100 points or so. Don't try to get in the way of anything. What a move. Alright, I'm gonna enter. Oops. I'm gonna enter here. Get my chart. Quick. Let's go. I'm in here. Mm. My my entry's a bit high. I wanna see this close above, close through. Didn't close through. This is like the quality on this setup is this would probably be like a B minus type setup. Because we haven't closed through and we're in at 83. Mm-mm-mm. Down like 20 points. All right, ES is pumping. See NQ. There we go. Oh, fucking rip us. There we go. Good shit. Keep it going, boys. Nice. I also took that on options. I'm up a lot. Up a lot on options. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna get out here on my options. Beautiful. Holy shit. Alright. I want to see this keep going. Come on, pump it. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna take some off here. Hey, what did I say about that launch pad? Sorry, I wasn't looking at the chat. Well, I was like low-key locked in on my trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. All right, I'm gonna take some more off. It's like 60 points. Mm-mm-mm. I take that all day, bro. All freaking day. I'm only in with one contract now. Mm-mm-mm. That's the first time using the launchpad method. The rest of my last con is stop break even. Vamos a la playa. A mí me gusta bailar. Did anyone else take this with me? I'm just curious. I don't really like signal bots, but just use me as like an added confluence. Don't necessarily take every trade I take, but if you're already thinking about one direction and you have conviction, it's your setup, doesn't help to have added confluence. And sometimes that helps me as well. And I know other smart traders are looking at the same thing. Didn't take it, just trying to learn. Perfectly okay. It's beautiful, bro. Oh, this is a crazy, crazy candle. 50 points down, 50 points up. You can really get hurt in this price if you're not careful. I took I took this long on SPX as well. So my options is up like 1200. It's Netanyahu PA. It's Bibby price action. Yeah, it's a barcode. That's why when you see the open like this, look how uneventful this is. From after 9:30, we just chop around. For me, like I'm like, okay, if we don't get huge candles like extreme volatility, then any trade I take, I'm going to be securing gains. I'm not going to be trying to hold it for the highest high or like the final take profit. I'm going to just take my trims wherever I feel is logical. Whenever I see price starting to reverse or slow down, waking potentially, that's when I take trims. What's most important is your exit, not necessarily your entry, because you don't want to get round tripped. Like you can enter at the bottom, like literally the lowest low, targeting the high. But if we're 5 points off and you don't move your take profit, you don't trim, you don't do anything, you're just gonna get round tripped. And a lot of people are trying to be right. I'm just trying to secure the profit. Also, I restarted my Apex run, so I'm not gonna really talk about the accounts. Maybe I'll post the payout, the max payout when I get it. But yeah, so I need to lock in on that. TPT, Top Step, Lucid, Apex. Those are firms right now. Bro's gonna come back in a month withdrawing 50K from Apex. Hopefully, bro. Can I pay for your Top Step? What can you do for me? Why don't you come up and speak? Or is your girl working? You've done a lot for me, not gonna lie. Like, what do you want? Like 10 bucks? Nah, if I'm gonna give someone an account, I'm gonna give it to Dylan. So if you guys use code Nate on Lucid, I'm gonna give Dylan a free 50K eval. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Use code WOB. We not getting under the table, bro. And get on the table. Devanch. Wow, I'm so paid off SPX, bro. Beautiful. Yes, bro. It moved that much off the lows. If PA is this bad, I might just need flip or reset today. Yeah, just flip, honestly. It's not worth it. My head is low-key exploding looking at this. so repulsive. You had an A+ set up and missed it, and a C tier I didn't take. It's okay to miss trades. Just now if you're upset that you missed it, don't do anything stupid to try to make that money back. Like, what the hell are these candles, bro? Like, yes, I would like to be on longs, but after these 1 minute candles, like 50 points up, 50 points down, 50 points up, 50 points down. What, like, who has the stamina to really hold this? Unless you're like super convicted. You have a lot of conviction that these highs are gonna get hit, this liquidity is gonna get ran. Then I'd be like, okay, I'm okay sizing down and just having a stop and a take profit and just leaving it. But like my regular position size, I'm gonna take my profits. Like imagine you held, you're up, I don't know, 70 points here. Next candle, you're back to break even or up 20 points. Then the next candle after that, 70 points, 20 points. Like you're going up, down, up, down. It's just like not worth it, my opinion. Mm-mm. Thing is, I said I was gonna stream for for a long time, like till 12, but this is like watching paint dry. And we already made the money. We already made the money this AM. I'll stay on for another 8 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna hop off. Not gonna lie, when drawn liquidity is met, it's best to get off. I don't think drawn liquidity really has been met. We have these monthly lows. It looks like price is gonna probably slowly grind towards it. I'd be really surprised if this is the start of the true move up. It's possible, but I don't know. Would like to see this sweep for that added confluence. Again, price is random, it's irrational. So you could be looking for these lows and you just get left in dust as we go back to whatever, all-time highs. Ordinary. Good thing you didn't take 270 because the guy ran through. The low volume, low momentum, grind up. Well, make sure you guys are subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get notifications when I go live and things of that nature. Also, the classes that I host. I might start doing more classes, but the thing is, like, I don't really have the motivation, and that's something I'm working on. Like, I don't know how people can just sit and trade and teach for hours each day. I'm working on some PDFs for my strategies. Trying to get like the gold strategy, the metal strategy, trying to get that onto paper so that other people can try to replicate it. But honestly, I would stay away from metals if you're not profitable on NQ yet. Kind of what I've been preaching. I've been sub since 300. Thanks, brother. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I'm at 710 right now. I think I can get to 1,000 in like 3 months. I post twice a week, 3 times a week. You guys have to realize like all the people that are posting every single day. Kane was saying this when he was on the stage. The people posting every single day like it's their job, it's because it is their job and they make probably most of their money from that. Whatever, selling something. Like yes, we have the premium server, but in all honesty, it's not making that much. And we are like it's like a drop in the bucket, you know. If you really focus on training, that's you're not gonna have any motivation or time to make content. That's why Umar stopped posting. That's why Kane stopped posting. That's why like no one really has motivation. And especially if they're posting with freaking cropped screenshots and blurring out um blurring out dollar amounts and hiding account names. Like, bro, pack it up. Yeah, I only post my P&L and charts on Twitter just for the aura farm, but like that's very easily verifiable. If you look at the screenshots I post, if you think they're fake, then I don't know, like you might have trust issues or a smooth brain. Well, hiding account names is good so you don't get hacked, but you can include Take Profit or Apex. Yeah, you can just hide the numbers. There's ways to hide the numbers so you don't like I guess get hacked. I think P&L post really serves no purpose. I mean, I'm guilty of it. I still post it. I'm probably gonna post my P&L today. It's how you grow your following. Cool aura farm. But a lot of people are selling their ass doing that. Some people aura farm with the rise payout. Shit, I should aura farm. I can aura farm a rise payout right now. Hold on. That gives me a great idea. Alright, aura farming. I'm gonna jump off stream. I'll see you guys. My schedule. I'll see you guys tomorrow at open probably. I don't like to stay on for too long, especially after the trade hits. Alright, take it easy.